Hello there. Let's learn 50 action verbs with examples. Let's start. Jump, for example, I jump high to grab the ball. The cat jump onto the table. I climb up the tree to catch the bird. He climbs the mountain with his friends. I sing my favorite song before going to bed. They sing together at the karaoke bar. I laugh with my friends at the party. They laugh when watching a funny movie. I paint landscapes on canvas. She paints her nails with different colors. I watch movies on my laptop every night. He watches his favorite TV shows every day. I drink coffee in the morning. She drinks water throughout the day. I draw cartoons for fun. She draws portrait of her pet. I plant flowers in the garden. He plants trees in the community park. I hike in the mountains every weekend. They hike through the forest to enjoy nature. I bake bread every Sunday morning. He bakes a cake for his sister's birthday. I skate smoothly on the roller rink. The kids skate on the sidewalk with their skateboard. I question why they always arrive late. The curious child questions everything around them. I bike to school every morning. She bikes around the city to explore. I fly a kite at the park. The bird flies across the sky. I explore the forest to find the rare plant S. They explore the ancient ruins. I build wooden furniture in my workshop. I build my knowledge by reading books. I cycle to work every day. She cycles long distances for exercise. I speak French fluently. They speak on the phone every night. I sail every weekend with my friends. The sailors sail around the world. I exercise at the gym 3 times a week. He exercises by jogging in the park. I listen to jazz music when I need to relax. She listens carefully to her teacher during lesson. I sleep for 8 hours every night. They sleep under the stars in the camping tent. I shop for groceries every week. They shop online. I study for my exams. He studies science. I drive to work every morning. He drives a truck. I play Nintendo Switch in the park. Kids play with toys in the living room. I dance at the party. The children dance in the living room. I teach mathematics at school. She teaches children. I help my friend with homework every day. The kind stranger helps the lost child find her parents. I travel to different countries for my job. They travel with their friends during summer. I swim in the pool every day. They swim with dolphins. I kick the ball. He kicks the habit of drinking soda. I hug my friend. They hug each other tightly. I pray every night. He prays before meals. I surf the waves. He surfs the internet. I garden in the backyard. He gardens vegetables. I ski in the mountains. They ski every winter. I camp in the tent under the stars. They camp in the wood every summer. I work at a coffee shop during the weekends. He works hard every day to support his family. I read a book every night. He reads the newspaper. I eat an apple for breakfast. They eat lunch at noon. I talk to my friend every day. She talks to her neighbor every morning. I walk my dog every morning. They walk to the store. I write a letter to my friend. The author writes books. I cook dinner for my family every day. He cooks a delicious meal. I clean my room before guests come. He cleans the car. I close the door before going to bed. The store closes at 9 p.m. every day. I cry every time I watch sad movies. He cries when he feels alone. I smell a flower in the garden. He smells a beautiful rose in the vase. Well done. See you next time.